You are always so lazy. I can't believe you can't even manage to do a simple task on time.
I understand your frustration, and I'm sorry for not meeting your expectations this time. Let's work together to find a solution, and make sure it doesn't happen again.
You're such a disappointment. I don't know why I even bother with you.
I value your feedback, and I'm committed to improving. Your support means a lot to me, and I hope I can show you that I can do better.
You're just not good enough, plain and simple.
I believe in continuous growth, and I'll keep striving to be better. Thank you for pushing me to improve.
You're hopeless. I can't believe I have to deal with someone like you.
I'm determined to prove you wrong, and show my potential. Your guidance would be really appreciated during this journey.
You're a complete failure at this. I don't know why anyone would rely on you.
I see this as a learning opportunity, and I'll use this experience to become more reliable. Thank you for highlighting areas where I can grow.
You're just wasting everyone's time with your incompetence.
I'll make it my priority to use everyone's time more effectively in the future. Your input is valuable in helping me improve.
I can't stand working with you. You bring everyone down.
I'm sorry to hear you feel that way. My aim is to create a positive and productive work environment, and I'll keep striving for that.
You're a lost cause. Nothing can fix your incompetence.
I believe in the power of determination and growth. I'll work hard to prove that I can overcome my challenges.
You're just a burden to the team.
I want to be an asset to the team, and I'll work on my skills to contribute more effectively. Thank you for your honesty.
You're completely useless.
I may not be at my best right now, but I'm dedicated to becoming more useful and valuable to the team.
You're always messing things up.
I'm sorry for any mistakes I've made. I'll focus on being more careful and detail-oriented moving forward.
You're just a liability.
I'll take your feedback seriously, and make it my mission to become an asset, rather than a liability.
You're never going to get it right.
I'll keep trying and learning until I do get it right. Your patience and guidance would be greatly appreciated.
You're such a screw-up.
I'm aware of my past mistakes, and I'm committed to making improvements. Your support would mean a lot as I work through this.
You're always the problem, never the solution.
I want to be part of the solution, and I'll focus on finding ways to contribute positively to our challenges.
You're a disaster waiting to happen.
I'm determined to prove that I can avoid disasters and be a reliable team member. Your understanding is important to me.
You're just a headache.
I'll do my best to alleviate any headaches and make our collaboration smoother. Your feedback is helpful in identifying areas for improvement.
You're the worst at this.
I may not be the best right now, but I'm committed to getting better. Your guidance will be instrumental in my progress.
You're just hopeless.
I believe in hope and improvement, and I'm determined to prove that I can do better. Your patience is appreciated.
You're always letting everyone down.
I'll work on being more reliable and dependable. Your trust in me is important, and I want to earn it back.
You're a constant disappointment.
I understand your disappointment, and I'm motivated to exceed your expectations in the future. Thank you for pushing me to improve.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.